Hi, I'm sure everyone's bucket list has some or the other destination, but planning a holiday can be quite a task, especially during the pandemic. So to make it easy, introducing my travel store at Holiday. Here you can find my recommendations which include experiences like caravan road trips, glamping, weekend getaways at private villas or resorts, homestays, tree houses, drive-in cinemas and much more. Holidaying is committed to curate exciting, memorable and safe travel plans even during COVID times. So go ahead and check out my travel store by clicking on the link in the description below and book that holiday which you have been trying to plan for the longest time. Bye! Enjoy the vlog! Hi guys, welcome to No Bracket Bucket, welcome to another vlog. I know I'm vlogging after ages, it feels really good. So मैं इस weekend के लिए बाहर जा रही हूँ and that in this pretty weather. Very excited and can't wait to share the place with you. Of course, we are taking all the safety precautions. Let's go!
A weekend getaway was all that I needed to escape the lockdown. But rituals first.
माँ, here's your coffee. बहुत काम कर लिया आपने. Wow.
Within quick reach of Mumbai, Igatpuri is a hill station in the Sahyadris. वैसे तो यहाँ देखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, पर लॉकडाउन के 6 महीनों बाद एक झलक में दिखने वाले ये बादल, बरसात, पेड़ और पहाड़, इनमें ही दिल को सुकून मिला.
रिजॉर्ट्स वगैरह तो चालू है बट दीज टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स आर नॉट रियली ओपन फॉर एवरीवन. कैन यू हियर द साउंड? इतना पानी है यहाँ पे. डू यू सी दैट? सो दिस इज अशोका वाटरफॉल्स एंड ठीक है, भीग नहीं सकते बट वी कैन एटलीस्ट टेक अ लुक एट इट एंड एंजॉय. काश जा पाते यार. कोविड when are we getting rid of you? Just look at that man. I don't know आपको रेलिंग्स दिख रहा है कि नहीं, बट उस वाटरफॉल के बराबर नीचे तक जाने का रास्ता है. But then you know what, there's beauty everywhere all around us. if we just try and look, because we found this beautiful little नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स वाला पानी है, but it's a waterfall. Let's go.
This place is full of streams and waterfalls, and that is because it keeps pouring here all day long.
These little things that make me happy. I don't know मेरी आवाज़ भी आ रही है या नहीं. This is so noisy, but I absolutely love it. Guys, I don't want to promote roaming around here and there without masks. Be a responsible tourist wherever you go. जब तक आपके आजू बाजू लोग ना हो, जैसे कि ये, अपना मास्क ना उतारे.
It is for a reason that Igatpuri is called the fog city. As the day nears its end, the fog literally becomes the horizon here.
Got done with my dinner. ऐसे मौसम में ना सूप्स पीने का कुछ अलग ही मज़ा है, and I personally love soup. कल का कुछ प्लान नहीं है ज़्यादा खास. There's a fort nearby, so most probably we will visit that fort. And बाकी दिन तो chill ही करेंगे यार, और क्या. तो see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good morning. Come on. We got to go for cycling. Huh?
तो जो फोर्ट मैंने कल बोला था वो फोर्ट भी बंद है ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड, एंड इसलिए वो भी कैंसिल हो गया. बट लेट्स सी, अभी इधर उधर ही थोड़ा घूमेंगे, एक दो वाटरफॉल्स ऑन द वे मिल जाएंगे. बट इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेस गाइज. इगतपुरी इज़ 2 hours फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली प्लान अ वीकेंड हियर. इट्स अमेजिंग, स्पेशली इन मानसून्स.
After the humbling experiences of lockdown, visit to a countryside can help us to get back to life afresh. And for me, this little refuge in the nature's lap was something that rejuvenated my soul immensely.
Hi guys, so I'm about to check out from this place, but before ending this video, I would like to thank Holidaying who made this much needed weekend trip possible for us. They ensured the rooms with best sanitation and with the best view. But you know what guys, in the end your safety is in your hands first. So whenever you travel, be a socially responsible traveler. And that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Hit the like button, share this video and subscribe if you still haven't. Bye. Hi, you are being featured on No Bracket Bucket. Ooh.